Well, this one scared
For the
me.
following counties in Ohio, Ashland and Medina, the National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Ashland County, southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lodi and Sullivan. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ashland and Medina. This is Northern Radio KDO 94 originating.
Can't say I didn't see that one coming.